In this video, I'll show you how to create custom shipping labels in ShopWired, making your e-commerce process smoother and more professional. If you've been struggling with printing labels or just want to know how to personalize them for your business, this is the video for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing a free trial offer for some amazing alternatives to ShopWired that might even be a better fit for your needs. Let's get started with ShopWired's process for creating custom shipping labels. First, you'll need to log in to your ShopWired admin panel. Once you're in, navigate to the Orders section in the menu. Here, you'll see all your pending orders that need to be fulfilled. Select an order, and on the Order Details page, you'll find an option to print shipping labels. This is where the magic begins. Next thing, once you've selected the Create Shipping Label option, you'll see multiple carriers listed. ShopWired integrates with several major carriers, like Royal Mail, Parcelforce, and others. You'll need to choose the right one based on your shipping preferences. Once you select a carrier, you can enter the dimensions of the package and the weight. The fourth thing, after entering those details, you'll be able to customize your shipping label. ShopWired allows you to add a logo, business name, and return address to your labels. This gives your shipping a more professional and branded appearance, which can enhance your customer's experience. Now, let's talk about what happens once you finalize the shipping label. After you click Generate Label, the system will process your order and create the label in a PDF format. You can then download and print the label directly. ShopWired makes it easy to track all this within your dashboard, so you're always on top of your shipping. But here's a critical point to consider. While ShopWired offers good shipping label customization, there are a few limitations. The platform works well for basic needs, but if you want more advanced features like multi-carrier integration, more design options, or bulk label printing, you might want to look at other options. One downside to ShopWired is that some of its customization features are not as intuitive as they could be, and if you're running a larger operation, the process might feel a little manual. Next, you might be wondering, is ShopWired the best choice for you? The platform is great for smaller businesses that need simplicity, but it might not be the best option for those looking for automation and scalability. So, here's the deal. I've found a competitor with features like better label design options, more advanced integrations, and faster processing. And the best part? They offer an exclusive free trial that gives you a taste of their capabilities. Now, before you make any decisions, I'll give you a quick rundown of this alternative. The software I'm talking about is Competitor Name. It offers all the customization ShopWired provides, but with added benefits that make it more suitable for scaling. It's faster, offers more advanced tools, and is even easier to use. And yes, you can start using it today with an extended free trial, just through our link. To sum up, ShopWired is a solid option for businesses just starting out, but if you need more flexibility and growth potential, you might want to consider the alternatives I've mentioned. And again, through our link, you get access to the best free trial available, exclusive benefits, and a much smoother process to scale your business. Check out the description for the links, and don't forget to grab your exclusive offer.